Hey, what's going on guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and in this video, we're opening up some of the new Hot Wheels cars from the GameStop Collector Day case. I'm giving away these 3 cars here to one lucky subscriber, and the winner of this giveaway is... Congratulations to the winner. Now it's time to open up some of these Hot Wheels cars. The blue Jaguar XE SV Project 8. The green 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata. The orange 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. The silver 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. The gray Nissan SKYLINE GTR R32. The Golf Racing blue and orange Ford GT40. The gold 76 Greenwood Corvette. The blue Porsche 917 LH. The camouflage 68 Chevy Nova. The black 96 Porsche Carrera. The silver 85 Honda City Turbo 2. The yellow 2005 Ford Mustang. The white Porsche Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid Sport Turismo. The gray Custom 71 El Camino. The green Land Rover Series 3 pickup. The red and white RV There Yet. There we have it guys, those are 16 Hot Wheels cars from the GameStop Collector Day case. If you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.